Every new day is a gift, a chance to rise and chase the dreams that fuel your soul. Life is a race, but it's not about how fast you run. It's about how much heart you put into each step. The climb may be tough, the road may be long, but remember, every step forward is a step toward greatness. Obstacles will arise and the path will twist and turn, but it's in the journey where true strength is found. When the storms come, don't fear them. Dance in the rain, knowing that the sun always returns. Plant your seeds of hope, nurture them with hard work, and watch as they grow into something extraordinary. Success isn't just about individual glory, it's about lifting others as you rise. Together, we can achieve anything. Remember, it all starts with a single thought, an idea that can change the world. Believe in your dreams and turn them into reality. No mountain is too high, no dream too big. With determination and passion, you can conquer anything. So keep going, keep striving, and never give up. The best is yet to come.